In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group email in Gmail. This process is a fantastic way to streamline communication, whether you're working on a team project, organizing an event, or just want to keep in touch with a group of friends. So, let's dive right in and make sure you get the most out of your Gmail experience. First, open your web browser and head over to the Gmail website by entering mail.google.com in the address bar. Once you're there, log in with your Google account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Gmail dashboard, a familiar interface providing access to your inbox, composed messages, drafts, and more. Next, navigate to Google Contacts. You can do this by clicking on the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid or a square made up of tiny dots, typically located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, select Contacts. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your contacts effectively. Now that you're in Google Contacts, let's set up your new group. On the left-hand side, you should see a panel with several options, including Create Label. Click on it. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your new group. Make sure it's descriptive enough so you'll easily recognize it later. For example, if you're setting it up for a project team, you might name it Project X Team. Once you've decided on a name, go ahead and click Save. With your group label created, the next step is to add contacts. To do this, you'll need to browse through your list of existing contacts. As you find people you'd like to include, hover over their name. You should see a small checkbox appear next to each contact. Simply click on the checkbox to select the contact. Once you've selected everyone you want in the group, look for the Manage Labels icon, usually represented by a label tag, at the top of the contacts list. Click on this icon, then select the group label you created earlier. This action will add the selected contacts to the group. With your contacts now grouped, you're ready to send a group email. Head back to Gmail. Start a new email by clicking Compose on the left side of the page. In the To field, start typing the name of the label or group you created. Gmail's autocomplete feature should recognize the label and suggest it. Click to add the group and all contacts within it will populate in the To field. You're now free to draft your message and hit send once you're ready. And there you have it. You've successfully created and utilized a group email in Gmail. This method not only saves time, but also ensures that everyone in your group stays in the loop. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide enhances your email experience.